Hello, children.
Hi.
And what are your names?
My name is Jennifer. And my name is Emery.
So what experiment are we about to do now?
We're gonna do the experiment of an orange peel and a balloon.
Wow. So what would happen when you spray an orange peel on a popped-up balloon?
It'll pop. It would pop. Because all the pressure is blown into it.
Really?
Not because of the pressure.
Really?
Is that what is inside the orange peel?
Yeah, the limonene.
Would spray on
limonene
it.
oil, yeah, okay. So
But would spray on it and make the rubber weak.
Okay.
And it would make the balloon weak. And the balloon is holding lots of pressure. And when it gets weak, it can't hold that much pressure anymore.
Okay.
So it just explodes.
Yes. Okay. But first of all, let's make sure that the balloon is strong enough. Can you poke it and let's see if it will pop? Poke. Oh, that's not popping. Can you hit it on the table? Let's see. Ooh, it's not popping. It's not popping. It's not popping. Okay. So right now we will spray some orange peels on it. But first of all, children, if we spray orange peels on it, will it pop?
Yes.
So what do you think?
You have 30 seconds to answer. Do you think it would pop or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I think it's
11.
okay. They would have answered by now. So we're going to do the actual thing. We're going to spray orange peels on the pumped up balloon.
Do you think it would pop?
So we'll find out right now. So Chinemena and Mama, why don't you pick up some orange peels on the table and let's count to 3 and we spray. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! And yes, spray.
Mine's
Spray.
not popping.
No, you're not spraying. Just spray. Press it. Press hard. Ooh, that's good. Yes. Yes. Sit down. So who can tell us why it popped?
Because it was getting weak.
Yeah, what makes it weak?
The oil inside the orange peel.
The limonene oil inside the orange peel.
Yeah,
It's a non-polar substance, and the rubber used to make the orange peel is a non-polar substance, and when they come together they dissolve each other, and that's why the body of the balloon gets weak and it pops due to the pressure that's already inside. Yeah, there's one more balloon, so do you want to try that one out as well? So let's try that.
Wait.
Yeah.
And 3, 2,
2,
1.
1. So I think it's time to say goodbye to the kids. Goodbye.